Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Purple color, blue color, red color, yellow color, sky blue color, green color, green color, orange color, light green color, black color, light pink color, and brown color. So kids, now you draw egg.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple.
A, B, C, D, E,
B
F,
for
G,
ball.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
C for cat.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
T for
W,
dog.
X, Y, and Z. Now I
for
know my
elephant.
ABCs. Next time,
F
won't
for
you
fish.
sing with me?
G for goat. Okay, so now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Okay, so now you draw O.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
O for
Q, R,
orange.
S, T, U, V,
P for
W,
parrot.
X, Y, and Z.
Q
Now
for
I
queen.
know my ABCs.
R
Next
for
time,
rose.
won't you sing with me?
S for sun. T for teacher.
A, B, C,
U
D,
for
E,
umbrella.
F, G,
It's
H,
now
I,
your
J,
big.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
V
R,
for
S,
van.
T, U, V,
T for
W,
wheel.
X, Y, and
H for
Z.
telephone.
Now I know
Y
my
for yellow.
ABCs. Next time,
Z for
won't
zebra.
you sing with
Thank you so much
me?
for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.